Okay, so today I'll be explaining LCM, lowest common multiple, right? LCM. To find LCM, what you need to do is you need to divide the list of numbers by prime factors until you end up with 1 as the numbers in the remainder. So I'll explain this using an example. So for example, we have 6, 9, and 12. You want to use numbers that could divide into these numbers without leaving a remainder. So for example, I'll try 2. We could say 2 could go into 6 3 times without leaving a remainder. 2 cannot go into 9 without leaving a remainder, so therefore I will write back the 9. We say 2 could go into 12 6 times without leaving a remainder, so therefore we put 6. And another number we could try here is probably 3. We see 3 could go into 3 1 time without leaving a remainder. 3 could go into 9 3 times without leaving a remainder. And 3 could go into 6 2 times without leaving a remainder. So, try here now. 3 again. 3 cannot go into 1, so therefore you rewrite the 1. 3 could go into 3 1 time without leaving a remainder. And 3 cannot go into 2, so therefore you write back the 2. Using again here, you will try 2. 2 cannot go into 1, so you write back the 1. 2 cannot go into 1, so you write back the 1. And 2 could go into 2 1 time without leaving a remainder. As I said, once you end up with 1, 1, 1 or 1, 1, whatever in the base here, therefore you know you have completed dividing. So to calculate what the LCM is, you will take 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2. No, sorry. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2. Alright, so that's 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, 6 multiplied by 3 is 18, 18 multiplied by 2 is 36. So the LCM for this list of numbers here is 36. I'll show with another example again, just to reiterate. Let's try 12, 18, and 24. This is example 1. Alright. With example 2, we divided here now using small prime factors. I will start with 2. 2 could go into 12 6 times without leaving a remainder. 2 could go into 18 9 times without leaving a remainder. And 2 could go into 24 12 times without leaving a remainder. Divided here again, I'll try 3. 3 could go into 6 2 times without leaving a remainder. 3 could go into 9 3 times without leaving a remainder. And 3 could go into 12 4 times without leaving a remainder. Trying 3 again. 3 cannot go into 2, so therefore I rewrite the 2. 3 can go into 3 1 time without leaving a remainder. And 3 cannot go into 4 without leaving a remainder, so therefore I rewrite the 4. Going again, try 2. 2 can go into 2 1 time without leaving a remainder. 2 cannot go into 1, so therefore I rewrite the 1. And 2 can go into 4 with 2 times without leaving a remainder. So I try 2 again. 2 cannot go into 1, so I rewrite the 1. 2 cannot go into 1, rewrite the 1. And 2 could go into 2 1 time. We end up with 1, 1, 1 in the base here, so therefore we know we have completed dividing. So if calculating the LCM is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 by 3 is 6, 6 multiplied by 3 is 18, 18 by 36, 36 by 2 is 72. So the LCM of these three numbers here is equal to 72. Alright, and that's it for LCM.